Today we are going to see about leukemia. Leukemia is cancer of the body's blood-forming tissues, including the bone marrow and the lymphatic system. Many types of leukemia exist. Some forms of leukemia are more common in children, other forms of leukemia mostly in adults. Leukemia usually involves the white blood cells. The white blood cells are potent infection fighters. They normally grow and divide in an orderly way as your body needs them. But in people with leukemia, the bone marrow produces abnormal white blood cells which don't function properly. Treatment for leukemia can be complex, depending on the type of leukemia and other factors. But there are strategies and resources that can help to make your treatment successful. Symptoms. Leukemia symptoms vary depending on type of leukemia. Common leukemia signs and symptoms include fever or chills, persistent fatigue, weakness, frequent or severe infections, losing weight without trying, swollen lymph nodes, enlarged liver or spleen, easy bleeding or bruising, recurrent nosebleeds, tiny red spots in your skin, excessive sweating, especially at night, bone pain and tetanus. When to see a doctor? Make an appointment with your doctor if you have any persistent signs or symptoms that worry you. Leukemia symptoms are often vague and not specific. You may overlook early leukemia symptoms because they may resemble symptoms of flu and other common illness. Rarely, leukemia may be discovered during less tests or some other conditions. Causes. Scientists don't understand the exact cause of leukemia. It seems to develop from a combination of genetic and environmental factors. How leukemia forms. In general, leukemia is thought to occur when some blood cells acquire mutations in their DNA. The instruction inside each cell that guides its action. There may be other changes in the cells that have yet to be fully understood that could contribute to leukemia. Certain abnormalities cause the cell to grow and divide more rapidly and to continue living when normal cells would die. Over time, the abnormal cells can crowd out healthy blood cells in the bone marrow, leading to fewer healthy white blood cells, red blood cells and platelets, causing signs and symptoms of leukemia. Okay, how leukemia is classified. Doctors classify leukemia based on its spread of progression and the types of cell involved. The first type of classification is by how fast the leukemia progresses. Acute leukemia. In acute leukemia, the abnormal blood cells or immature blood cells, blasts. They can carry out normal functions and they multiply rapidly, so the disease worsens quickly. Acute leukemia requires aggressive, timely treatment. Chronic leukemia. There may be many types of chronic leukemias. Some produce too many cells and some cause too few cells to be produced. Chronic leukemia involves more mature blood cells. These blood cells replicate or accumulate more slowly and can function normally for a period of time. Some forms of chronic leukemia initially produce no early symptoms and can go unnoticed or undiagnosed for years. The second type of classification is by the type of white blood cells affected. Lymphocytic leukemia. This type of leukemia affects the lymphoid cells, which from lymphoid or lymphatic tissue. Lymphatic tissue makes up your immune system. Myelogenous leukemia. This type of leukemia affects the myeloid cells. Myeloid cells give rise to red blood cells, white blood cells and platelet producing cells. Types of leukemia. The major types of leukemia are ALL, AML, CLL and CML, which are acute lymphocytic leukemia. This is the most common type of leukemia in young children. ALL can also occur in adults. Acute myelogenous leukemia, AML, is a common type of leukemia. It occurs in children and adults. AML is the most common type of acute leukemia in adults. Chronic lymphocytic leukemia. With CLL, the most common chronic adult leukemia, you may feel well for years without needing treatment. Chronic myelogenous leukemia. This type of leukemia mainly affects adults. A person with CML may have few or no symptoms of months or years. before entering a phase in which the leukemia cell grows more quickly. Other types. Other rarer types of leukemia exist, including hairy cell leukemia, myelodysplastic syndromes, and myeloproliferative disorders. Thank you.